Dear students, this video is about calculation of arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean is most widely used method for calculation of averages. It is a straightforward operation, and as you can see in the example, a simple series is given of 32, 40, 44, 36. The formula for calculation of mean is x bar is equals to divided by summation x by small n. All the numbers in the series are added and they are divided by their total number, which is 4, and the average which we get is 38. Now, as we in the last lecture we have discussed about the various kinds of series. So mainly there are three kinds of series: individual series, discrete series, continuous series. The formula changes for calculation of mean for these three series. For individual series, mean is calculated by using formula mean is equals to x1 plus x2 plus up to xn divided by n, which is summation x by n. In discrete series, we have seen previously the example. Size and frequency are given. Size is denoted by small x and frequency by small f. Mean is calculated by summation of fx. Fx is each of the unit small x is multiplied by its frequency and all are summed up, and then it's divided by summation of frequency. Now the mean for continuous series. As we have seen earlier that in continuous series there is a class interval, so the mid value of all the class interval in the continuous series is calculated, which is denoted by m1, m2 up to mn, and their respective frequencies are also given in the question. For calculation of mean, each of the mid value of all the class intervals are multiplied by its frequency, and their summation is divided by total of all the summation of their frequencies, that is denoted by summation fm by summation f. Summation small f can also be written as capital N. Now one by one we will see the calculation of mean for all these three series. For all these three series, three methods can be used for calculation of mean. First one is direct method, second one is shortcut method, third one is step deviation method. First of all, we'll discuss about calculation of mean in individual series. As you can see, the most simple question can be asked and data is also few in number. Then the simple method can be used for calculation of mean by direct method, and the formula used is summation x by small n. In the example given here, serial number is denoted and the monthly expenditure in rupees x is denoted. The monthly expenditure is represented by small x, and mean is calculated by capital X bar is equal to summation x by small n. The answer we get is rupees 140. Now the next method for calculation of mean in individual series is shortcut method. The steps of shortcut method are given over here. The first step is any figure from the individual series is assumed as mean. Assumed means that it's not the calculated mean but assumed by the calculator, and it is denoted by capital A. Deviations of the variable x from the assumed mean is calculated. Deviation here means, in layman's language, the distance of or the difference of all the variables from the assumed mean. Then in the next step, all the deviations are summed up and it's denoted by summation within bracket x minus a. And that is also represented as summation small dx. Mean is calculated using the formula capital A plus C, where capital A is the assumed mean and capital C is the average of all deviations, that is summation dx by capital N. Now this one is the example related to the shortcut method for calculation of mean for individual series. In the question, the monthly expenditure of 5 men are given below, which is 132, 140, 144, 136, 148. So as we have discussed in the method, from the data which is the monthly expenditure, one number is calculated, one number is assumed as a mean, and which is A is equals to 144. Now from this assumed mean 144, deviations of all the variables are calculated, which is dx is equals to x minus capital A, and after subtracting all the expenditure values from 144, we get the values minus 12, minus 4, 0, minus 8, plus 4, and when summed up, that is equals to minus 20. Now as per the formula, mean is calculated by using the formula A capital A plus summation dx minus dx divided by small n. Summation dx divided by small n is the average of all the deviations. The value of capital A is equals to 144, and the average of all the deviations can be calculated by minus 20 divided by 5. We get the value, or we get the answer, which is rupees 140. In illustration 3, mean is calculated using both the direct method as well as by the shortcut method. I am leaving that illustration for you, and in the coming video we will discuss about the step deviation method for calculation of mean for individual series. The related questions for practice will be given to you on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.